Ryanair. Hopefully them clouds go a bit so we can film the departure a bit more. The thing is here at Gatwick, folks, it's more of a straight out departure. They don't bank straight away like they do at Heathrow. Here we go then with another TUI 737 MAX. Of course it is the holidays, so... Ryanair. Never been on Ryanair before. I have got something booked for Ryanair. Coming to the channel very, very soon, folks. Wow, 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 wow. 3:30, I did not know that was rolling. Look at them ribbons. See if we can get it coming out of them clouds. Unfortunately not. Wow. EasyJet. Into the clouds, cloud breaking. Takeoffs now. Yet another EasyJet. Go with the Wizz A321 Neo. Here we go with the Norwegian 737. Fueling A321. Folks, them clouds are getting lower now, so so they don't get too low. Here we go, the nice in that 757. Golf Alpha Tango Kilo A320, which is 20 years old. $390. Now a 319. folks. I think we could be switching to 2 6-offs, which would be nice. Delta 767, look at that. Should be able to smell the aviation fuel as well. Wowzers. We're just speaking to someone here at the Gatwick, another plane spotter. So I didn't check flight radar for that, but nice. Nice to see the 767. I believe we've also got, we should have we've got a British Airways 777, but next up is the North Atlantic 787-9 Dreamliner off to Miami, registration Golf-Charlie Kilo Oscar Foxtrot. Nice, and that is our last aircraft, the NAP, that I plan to film. I'm going to try. Wow, look at the cloud moving. Okay then folks, that is the last aircraft then here on today's video, unless we capture more down there at the train station. But if we do not, thank you so much for watching us here today at London Gatwick Airport. I hope you enjoyed this Gatwick Airport series. I'll see you all next week here on Planespotting 23. I don't know what's going to come up yet, so we'll have to wait. Join me next week here on Planespotting 23. I don't know what's coming up yet, so stay tuned. Don't forget, if you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, it helps support the channel, and also don't forget to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you all Tuesday for the live stream. Bye bye for now.